Hello everyone, I am Amrit Agarwal, a software engineer at Microsoft, and today I'll take you through a day in my life at Microsoft Noida's campus. The day starts with the office cab, which picks up employees from across the Noida and Delhi NCR region. There are multiple drop timings, and I usually take the 9 am cab. I work in KP Towers building, the second block of which is recently built. I like to kickstart my day with some exercise, so I head straight to the office gym. It's well equipped, and we even have trainers and shower facilities for added convenience. After workout, it's time for breakfast. The cafeteria offers a variety of options as you can see, and it's located at the top floor with a stunning view of the city. It's time to go to my work desk where my team sits. By 10:30 am, I am at my desk, starting with emails, messages, and our daily scrum call. During the call, we share updates on our progress, highlight any blockers, and align on the task for the day. I go for lunch around 1:30 pm. And here's what's on the menu today. The menu changes daily, and today I am opting for a healthier choice meal with millets. Here is a sneak peek of the food options on some other days. Let me give you a quick tour of the office. This is the garage area, a space dedicated to experimentation and innovation. It's one of the most exciting parts of the office, recently opened here in Noida. These all are the 3D printers. We also have IoT devices and even MetaVision VR glasses. Various hackathons and brainstorming sessions frequently happen here, fostering creativity. The office also has some thoughtful spaces like nap rooms where you can take a quick power nap to recharge for work. There is also a meditation room where people can sit and meditate in silence. Post lunch, I dive back into my tasks, which usually involve both designing and coding. I usually take short 5-minute breaks in between to stay energized and avoid burnout during long stretches of work. In the evening, I often have team calls for design discussions or to resolve any technical challenges. Some days also include one-on-one meetings with my manager or teammates. The evening snacks are a delight with the options like charts and sandwiches or fruits and juices. The last part of my day is usually reserved for wrapping up high priority tasks or some pending items. It's around 7 pm and the time to head back home in the office cab. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into a day in the life of a Microsoft software engineer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.